Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Maytag washer not spinning. Let's dive in. The first issue may be the lid or door not fully closed. To resolve this, check if the lid door is tightly shut, remove obstructions like clothing or debris, inspect the door latch for damage or replace it if needed. The second issue may be the unbalanced load. To resolve this, open the washer and redistribute the cloth evenly. Avoid overloading the drum. Add more items to balance small loads. The third issue may be the incorrect washer setting. To resolve this, confirm that the selected cycle includes spinning. Press the start button if the cycle is passed. Reset the washer if it's unresponsive. The fourth issue may be the drainage issue. To resolve this, check the drain hose for clogs, kinks, or improper placement. Clean the drain pump filter located behind a panel at the bottom front. Ensure proper water flow. The next issue may be drive belt fork or broken. To resolve this, unplug the washer and remove the back panel. Inspect the drive belt for cracks, wears, or breakage. Replace the drive belt if necessary. The next issue may be the faulty lid switch. Test the lid switch for continuity using a multimeter, replacing the switch if it is defective. Refer to the washer manual for replacement instructions. The next issue may be the damaged motor coupling. Disconnect the washer and assess the motor coupling. Inspect for cracks or damage. Replace the coupling if needed. The next issue may be the control system glitch. To resolve this, turn off the washer and unplug it for 1 to 2 minutes. Plug it back in and start a new cycle. Check if spinning resumes. The next issue may be the power supply problem. Ensure the washer is plugged securely into the functioning outlet. Reset the circuit breaker if tripped. Test the outlet with another device. The next issue may be the persistent mechanical issues. To resolve this, contact Maytag customer support or a certified repair technician. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.